Alrighty, it's Sean from FactorE. I have Brent here with me. It's a super hot summer day, and guess what? We have a Model 3 with some air conditioning issues. Brent, can you just tell everyone watching what's going on? What are you doing for this AC service, and kind of walk us through what's happening here today?
Well, the customer came in with this Model 3 here, complaining that their air conditioning, it didn't feel as cool as it should,
Okay.
given our recent hot weather here in Vancouver. Things like these are more noticeable now, right? We have a lot of customers that notice their air conditioner's not cooling. In this case, we found a leaking O-ring on one of the pipes. We took care of it, replaced it. We're just getting ready to put the refrigerant back into the system now.
Awesome, awesome. And from a timeline point of view, how long does it typically take to do a service like this?
Well, just to safely remove the old refrigerant, clean the system and put it back in, that alone can take an hour, 1 to 2 hours. Then we have to take some time to try and find the leak. We're not actually allowed legally to put refrigerant back into a leaking system. So finding the leak could be as simple as a 5-minute quick inspection, or it could be a several-hour affair. But we are determined and we are capable here at FactorE Motors of finding those leaks for you.
Awesome. And if anyone had like a Model S, a Model X, or Y, we're capable of handling all Tesla air conditioning repair?
Yeah, 100%. We're well versed on it. We have a lot of trained technicians. We've seen many different types of common failure points on these vehicles. This is an example of an R1234YF machine, which is the latest and greatest refrigerant being used in the industry. We also have the older R134A machine as well. So we're able to service all makes or all models of Teslas, no matter what refrigerant your car came with. We have the most advanced leak detection equipment, and we're ready here to help you out.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Brent. And if any of you folks watching need any air conditioning help, just please reach out to us at factoremotors.ca. Thank you.